This is Ismail from GZTECH.
Hello everyone, this is Christina from GZTECH. Now I'm so happy to show you around of our company, Wuhan Guangzhi Technology Limited Company. GZTECH was founded in May 2018. GZTECH's market strategy is to become a leading supplier of advanced lasers for precision manufacturing.
GZTECH has a first-class research and development team which consists of optics, electronics, software and mechanical engineers. The CEO, Dr. Huang, got his bachelor's and PhD degree from Tsinghua University. The first mature product line of GZTECH is the pulsed MOPA laser, covering the power range from 20 watt to 1000 watt and over 100 types. New products such as air-cooled QCW, single-mode CW laser, and solid-state UV laser are now on sale.
We are now in the headquarters located in the Optical Valley of Wuhan, and we have offices in Shenzhen, Suzhou, and Jilan. There are two buildings here, building number 2 and building number 6.
This is the lobby, the sales and marketing department. Here we can play ping pong and table tennis. We arrive in the laboratory of laser processing. Our engineers test different laser sources. They do a lot of different laser applications for different customers every day.
Now we go to the second floor. Here is the R&D office. We have more than 50 R&D engineers. Here is the workshop of UV laser. We are making UV laser from 3 watts to 40 watts.
Alright, now we go to the building number 2. Here is the office of QC department, and this is antiphatic test room. Each laser source must be continuously tested for 72 hours before leaving the factory. This is the integrated workshop of fiber laser source, and there is no dust on the workshop.
Now we will go to the 4th floor, which is the assembly workshop. Our company is growing very fast and we are getting ready for IPO. Hope you can be the senior partner of our company to realize win-to-win situation.